Yo! Guess who's back? Back. Back again. Again. Yo, what up, everybody? Yo! Yo, I just locked in more days. I just locked in another day in my Lucid funded account. I just locked in. Yo, I just passed another Lucid. What up, Double O? What up, Jip? Oh, you know what? Just to fucking. My bad. Because somebody's going to freaking ask me about it. There you go. If you trade Tradeify, their flash sale ends tonight, by the way. Just throwing it out there. What? No volume? Can you guys hear me? Who hears me? Bro, you don't hear me? Bro, I just heard myself on my other computer. What up, Kevin? Well, Jip said no volume. Yeah. He said no volume. I was like, uh-oh. My volume is on the lower end. Um, bro, I don't know. Bro, I just don't know. Oh, no volume in the market? Oh, freaking coffee's amazing. Yo, my camera's about to, my fucking camera's about to fall over. Let's see if I can pick this shit up. Oh my god. Ah. Yo, Dustin, we own that now. You mean our Greenland? You mean Trump land? I don't know what's going on. This shit's wild. Oh, man. Everybody making some money today? How's everyone's accounts looking? We up? We up? What do you guys look like? Why I wait for gold?
Order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. Order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled.
Tore it up this morning. Yeah, this morning was good. This morning was really good. I am just looking to copy trade a little Sutton, Sutton, Sutton. Let me see what my copy trader looks like. I am going to copy trade. Ooh, come on down, baby. Come on down. Account overview. We're going to need to copy trade 48. Test 3. And we're going to do test 4. That's in 48. And that'll be, what you call it, 48 is the max. And we'll go here. Dude, did that not get me out? I'm looking for gold. Ah, there we go. I'm setting up my quant tower on my other screen because... What the fuck? There we go. Woo! Cove is the 5th member of what? I don't even know what that is. Yo, what up, Schulster? John White. Smash the like button from Fiber. You guys winning? Winning!
Order filled, order filled, order filled.
It's a band? Yo, what up, Jack? We only make money here, Jack. That's all we do is make money. Not. How are you doing? Made 750 this morning. That's solid. They just got me. I'm gonna try pass. Yo, silver repeats the same pattern daily. What's the pattern? Have you unlocked the matrix? What's the pattern? What up, Dav? Wait, oh, the love bug. The love bug in here. What up? You build it. Dude, I couldn't build shit. It definitely goes and backfills a lot.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, give me one quick swoosh. Come on. You can do it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm looking real green. That's not even all my accounts. Yeah, I'm up. My take profit traders are up. My Bulenox accounts are up. My Lucid accounts are up. Damn. Bro, gold has no stop in it whatsoever. Gold's not stopping. It's so crazy. Are you in Florida right now? We're in Florida. Yo, we're getting some snow up in New York later this week. stopped out. Man, oh man, oh man. I need freaking fucking gold, man. NQ. Gold's just going. NQ's just flopping around. South Florida. Oh, Pembroke. Pembroke Pines. He went to Cranbrook. Yeah. About to get a lot of snow. About to get a lot of snow. What's up, bite? Oh. Boom. About 30 minutes south of Fort Lauderdale Airport and 45 minutes north of Miami. Dude, I like it down there, man. Yo, what up, Sean? I'm watching just gold go up. Up, up, up. They call Florida Long Island. Florida. Dude, everyone's moving down there. That's the hot spot. Man, oh man, oh man. I want to see a little gold pullback. I will buy. Honestly, NQ is not doing shit. Look at what NQ looks like. Well, I don't even know what the setup is. You done until gold tonight? Bro, you got gold right now. What?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know what just happened.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, I must have left an order in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick $100. Bro, what the absolute fuck was that? Yo, what is that? Bro, Trump formed a framework of future deal with respect to Greenland. The fuck?
Order filled.
Bro.
Order filled.
I'm pretty sure there's a massive fucking fib here at 8:01. Oh, am I wrong? Oh, I am wrong. It's 593. Fuck. Ugh, this is me miscalculating.
Order filled.
Whatever. I just got $100 back. Oh, 794. Jeez. Oh, baby. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, yeah, this is what I was looking for right there. 70. Yep. That's what I was looking for. Dude, this is crazy. How many people just got crushed? Probably a fuck ton. Probably a fuck ton. Look at this thing. Dude, that's wild. Let's be real. He makes a deal with Greenland, right? All this tariff shit is going to go away also, right? So he's going to make a deal with Greenland. He's going to take the tariffs off, and we're going to be back at all-time highs. Holy shit. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, this is all in like one. Yo, this whole week is just crazy. Dude, he's moving the fucking markets, man. You don't think tariffs go away? He's gonna make a deal with the whole Greenland, and then he's gonna get rid of the tariffs. The tariffs are there because of, what do you call it? The tariffs are there because he wants Greenland. Once the Greenland shit is done, yo, my man is free to cook. I don't know if I want to get ahead of this thing. Dude, here's the buy spot. I don't know if I want to fucking get a... I don't know, man. This is fucking... Bro, I'm not. I don't think I'm going to get ahead. I don't think I'm going to play this shit. Holy shit.
Order filled.
I'm taking one. I'm not going to take any more. I will not be imposing the tariffs that were scheduled to go. Yo, I am right. Removing the tariffs was the reason for the spike. Yeah. It makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah. Bye-bye tariffs.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, dangerous. Fucking dangerous, bro. Tell him living. Tell him living, Biggie Smalls. They're going to bounce this thing back at some point. Fucking close. Bro. There's the... I just fucking said it. I actually just got it. I just got $5 like that with 3 micros. Holy shit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm curious if they just keep pushing this. Oh, it's over 500, so it just feels like it's gonna stay over 500, but we'll see. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I didn't go in heavy. Of course, I bought the fucking top, obviously. I just think it holds 500 here. But I've been wrong. It's probably going to continue up, but I'm going to get stopped out, is what's going on. Watch. It will continue up. It will stop me out, and now we will go back up. Yo, I think we're going to go up to 600.
Order filled.
There we go. Lock in some gains. Dude, that's crazy. Dude, they're not dropping this. This is what he wanted. He wants a deal. That's all he wants is a deal. Look at that. It hit my TP. Holy shit. I think gold's going down lower. Why did I sell? I don't know, man. I don't know. Why you not hold? What up, Alfredo? Why? Because it could easily dump 50 points and come back. I don't. Oh, baby. Damn. Gold is unloading. Gold is unloading.
Order filled.
I'm trying to look at where I think gold's going to go to. I think gold just gives it up. I think it gives up the majority of this move. I think it's heading down to, yeah, like 35 or something. Um, I got to look at the E8 rules real quick. I thought it was 1 day to pass. Hold on 1 second. I'm in gold. I'm just going to get out. I'm going to get out even. If it doesn't go right here, I'm out even. Ho! Ho! Oh, man. Dude, I'll tell you right now, I think it's going to go lower. It has to bounce at some point. Dude, the one you want is the signature accounts they have. They have E8 signature accounts. So evaluation you could pass in 1 day on E8. Yo. See you at all-time highs, gangsters. Holy shit. Dude. Yo, this is what it looks like, guys. Yo. Nah. Lucid works. What do you have an issue with? Bro. I mean, let's be real. Yo, fiber. Yo. You can't get in, but this thing can just keep going. We can hit 700 today. Where's that fucking eval I got? Here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude. That. He told you. He told you, Brad. Dude, I'll tell you one thing, man.
Order filled.
Oh my God.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, that was an old order. Anybody see that shit? Yo. Yo, tell me somebody saw that shit. Bro. Smash the fucking confetti. Yo, I need to go through all my accounts and just to make sure there's nothing left in here. Hold on 1 second. That was fucking crazy. Yo. That I could turn it off? Everyone voted on it and they wanted to hear it. Here, I can lower it. Everyone, I want to know though. Like I wouldn't have even heard about that. All of a sudden I heard it and I looked. Holy shit. Yeah, it notifies me when I'm in, or if I go like grab a drink and I hear it go off. Yo, the cash register. Ching. Bro, that was crazy. Everybody having a fun day? Nah, I definitely want the noise. I could hear it when I'm not at the computer. I'm not even going to try. I think I'm going to let it sit for a little bit. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. TPTs pros can't get better. You can request money today. I meant to look at my Lucid shit, actually. Lucid! Oh, yeah, today was day 3. Day 3 to get paid. Lucid. Oh. Man, this market is just flying around. Yeah, I don't accumulate it. I'd take it. Take it instantly. I'm telling you, man, we're probably gonna close at high a day. I wouldn't be surprised if it closes at high a day. If we I mean, this is the gap down. This is the gap down from the tariff news. It's 677. We're probably going to close that gap. 677. I mean, that looks pretty fucking bullish now. Looks like we're probably going to head back up another freaking 500 points. Oh, wow. Well, I don't know if I'm playing gold anymore because these moves are just massive. I can get freaking destroyed, to be honest with you. Gold's so far below. It's
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
just go fucking fill the gap. What did I say? There's 77, I think. MOC straight up, probably. Probably going to get an MOC that's straight up. Oh, baby. Yo, you know what I just realized? Is crypto up? Yo, I'm in Seoul. So long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Free trade, baby. Free trade. Damn, I'm in Seoul. I think I got 14 or 17x leverage in Seoul. Oh man, it's a little pullback. Little pullback. Yo, everyone having fun? Who's not having fun today? If you're not having fun, speak up. Dude, that was crazy. I would think we're going to be bullish the rest of the week, right? I don't see why we wouldn't be bullish the rest of the week. It's hard to short. I can't short the NQ, even though it looks like we're going to roll over here for a little bit. I just can't do it. Yo, Scooby. Dude, that's a massive, massive freaking drop. Rob the Scalper. What's up, man? Enjoying? Yo, it happened, Scooby. Dude, gold's got to drop. Oh, is gold going to go all the way back? 67. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Man, I think we're going to dip here a little bit. Dude, I got my finger on the trigger to short. I just feel like I'm going to get my freaking destroyed. I feel like I'm going to get destroyed if I do.
Order filled. Order filled.
I feel like I'm going to get my ish destroyed. Let's see what happens. I told myself, do not short.
Order filled.
Do not short. And then I shorted. I was like, do not short. Do not short. Bro, I'm getting out of this.
Order filled.
Yo, gold is just unloading. Unloading. Which makes sense if you think about it, right? Bro, I'm wearing no underwear. Yo, the fact that he's not doing this tariff shit is freaking crazy. Dude, he's just negotiating. That's all it is. Wild. Wild. Just past the Fadia's 50K. That's awesome, XRP. I can't wait till they owe you about $8,000 in payouts, and instead of paying you, they send you live. Wait, did I say that out loud? My bad. Awesome job, dude. What up, P Long? Well, no Trump tariffs now. Now, on to the next thing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm playing a little gold and silver. I'm playing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. On what? What'd you reference, Stock Itch? Yeah, I was just wondering. I don't care if you do. You're not gonna do anything to me. I just tell you exactly what happened. I'm not lying. Just I don't care if you do reference me. It happened. It happened, man. Yeah. Believe me, of all people, I was upset. Are you shitting me? You're not going to push this back up here? Just an eval, folks. Just an eval. Just having some funsies. Just having some funsies. Might delete later. Yeah, I mean, I'm not. I think I'm done trading any funded accounts until this settles down a little bit. This is gonna have to really settle down for me to be like, oh, I'm gonna jump in with a fundy. You know, the worst thing you could do right now is play a funded account, get smoked in 3 seconds, and then be like, why did I do that? Yo, you can regret that shit real quick. Super fast. Yeah, Clint, if you're gonna play small. Marcin? What's up, man? You gotta say what's up before you can enter the code, otherwise it doesn't work. Otherwise it deletes you. If the first thing you come in here and just do a code, it deletes you out. Yeah, I'm done with them, Stock Itch. They are done to me. I tell, listen. Listen, I can only tell you from experience, right? You can only give a review based on actual experience. I've gotten a lot of payouts. You know, and then they didn't want to pay me anymore. And I didn't reach the threshold to go live. And they pushed me live. Dreamer, that's hysterical. Sam Williams. My stream is buffering constantly. Why is it not buffering for me? It hasn't buffered for once for me. Why did it? It's not buffering for Austin either. I don't know. That might be. So the thing with the static accounts is one payout you go live, right? That's how the statics work. One payout, you go live. When you get to those 50K accounts, you're supposed to do $75,000 or 3 payouts in one account. I had 5 funded accounts and I did not get 3 payouts in one account. And they were going to owe me 3 accounts or 4 accounts worth of payouts. And one account was at $55,500. So I could have milked that for probably 2 more payouts. So they owed me a lot. They were going to owe me a lot of payouts. And they just switched me to live and took all my money and said that I got to start over. Lucid Black is very interesting. Nah, none of my accounts were live. None of my accounts. And not only that, they just rebuild me like 3 days ago for like a bunch of $16 rebills. So they just fucking rebuild me. And then they didn't want to pay me, so they put me live. You know, that's why, like, when people make reviews, like, I like to make review videos based on actual life experience. And, you know, that's unfortunately what happened to me. You know, they were going to owe me money. They were going to owe me 3 or 4 payouts, and they pushed me live. Yo, because you got to remember, right? Check this out. When they push me live, they're going to owe me $6,000 to $8,000. Instead, they don't pay me that $6,000 to $8,000. They open up a live account. They put like $3,600 in there, which is half of what they were going to pay me. And now I trade. And if I blow it, they don't care. It's only half of what they were going to pay me. And if I make money with it, they make 20% of what I make. Yeah, I mean, you know, what am I going to do? I just tell people the truth when they're on the stream. How did I do? I can't access the account. There's $1,700 left in it, and I can't access it. I don't know what the deal is, and they don't even respond back to me. Here, I'll message them back right now. Yo, I just messaged them for the 4th time in a row. They haven't emailed me back. I'm 4 emails. Four emails. They haven't messaged me back yet. I'm messaging support. I don't even know if my account's still live. Yeah, well, you can let them know it was pretty shitty that they pushed me live instead of just paying. No, I didn't write one bad review or anything, Stoggage. Nope.
Order filled.
I'm taking a 50 bounce. I'm taking a 50.
Order filled.
Bentley.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, it's a huge turnaround day. Huge turnaround day. Huge. I would tell them to pay you or your community will report. I'm not like that, Stock Itch. I'm just like, fuck, fuck it. I'll just, whenever it comes up in the chat, I just tell you, how many customers does he lose at that point? Maybe none, maybe somebody, but it's true. Yeah, I mean, you could DM him. He's not gonna just give me my accounts back with my balances. I doubt it. Let's see what happens. What do I got? 85.6. I'm playing a little bit smaller size. I DM the main dude. He's a cool dude. One thing I know is that he's not going to want to lose business. So I had 5 live accounts. I had 5 funded accounts. One was at 55,500. 2 were like within $600 worth from a payout, and then I had 2 more that were, I don't even know, halfway to a payout, and they basically moved me live and took all my money and said, well, now you got to start over. One of them might have been like $300 away from a payout. Yeah. They moved me live. I mean, I'll talk to anybody. I obviously didn't bash them anywhere. I just tell you the truth on here. That's all I could do is tell you the truth. And you can go back to my streams and see you can see the accounts in the streams. Like, it's all recorded. you know. But yeah, it's kind of fucked up because I didn't think that they would move me live because I didn't hit any of the things. I even emailed them and was like, dude, I'm, no, I'm talking about Fidias. Lucid's awesome. Lucid's awesome. I'm 2 days away from a payout with Lucid. Well, I'm always around to talk. I mean, you can look at my account. I'll show them. Yo, if they do it to me, they can do it to anybody. Yo, I would take 90% of my sim funded. 90% of, I probably had almost somewhere around, we'll just call it $10,000 worth of gains. I would take 9 grand. That'd be cool. I got $0. They pushed me live instead. I didn't even hit the threshold though. PG is my biggest issue. Is like I never like you're supposed to do if you get 3 payouts in one account or you hit 75,000. I didn't do either one. Right? So for them to just randomly do it when I'm about to get a bunch of payouts is fucking shady. It looks like a way to avoid paying somebody. Is what it looks like. Plus, you just rebuild them for a bunch of accounts like a couple days ago. Just doesn't look good. What am I going to do? Yeah. I'm out on them now. And I actually liked them I liked the rules there. I liked everything about it. It's just I can't put my trust in that at all. I'm not even allowed to get an account anymore anyways. I can only get if I want to trade there, I have to get the static accounts or a swing account because once you go live there, they can't send you back. So I can't even go back to regular accounts if I wanted to. I'm done. Yeah. It's true. Where'd all the buying go? They're probably just backfilling. Got to remember, like, this went up. It probably went up on a lot of short covering and buying. I don't think we go below this. I think you're going to settle somewhere around right here, and then they're going to either push up end of day, last half hour or so. Taking too many free longs? Yeah, I don't know. I'm so freaking. This shit's crazy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, I bought that and in 1 second. I wish I bought more. Holy shit. I wish I bought a lot more. What just happened? Dude, that's crazy. We're just flying on gold. Oh man, this is getting where's the short on gold? Here we go. $27 and $35. Aquaman breached my giveaway account because too many traders in one direction is. Wait, what? Wait, you took too many trades in one direction and they breached the account? Hold on, we need to talk about this. Aquaman futures? Yeah, I got to hear about that. You took too many. I don't understand. Because you only trade long? I don't understand what happened. Yo, Dreamer, what happened? I need to find out about this. What up, Teds? No Naz? I don't. This isn't the setup I'm really looking for, Drew. Like, I think they're going to close it somewhere around 500. Super sus. I mean, maybe.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, that was so fucking delayed at first. I clicked the button. That was delayed as fuck, actually. That was, I don't know why it was so delayed. I was hitting the button and it only gave me two micros. Oh, this thing missed me by a fucking tick. Tell you what, if you only play NQ, you should definitely mix it up. Yeah, I heard the Forex side is so fucking shady on a lot of these firms. Push it. Fucking push it, man. Nope. Almost sold out. I'm going to get fucked right here. This is going to be a fucking... Add at your stop, not stop at your stop. Nah, man, that's how I blow. That's how you blow accounts. I think it's going to put in one big candle all the way back down to 71. Did I just get stopped? I mean, you got to keep it tight. Otherwise, you're going to get freaking hosed. Oh, I'm probably not going to play. I'm probably not going to play gold anymore the rest of the day. Probably not going to play gold. Just looking at it. Looking at it, it's, I don't know. I'm just,
Order filled.
push it. Look at that shit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think they close NQ right around 500. I don't think they're going to push it one way or another very far. I think it's going to kind of sit right around there. I think your better bet is NQ, is gold. If you're going to play anything here in the day. I don't think you go. I think it just kind of sits here. Whew. Silver's going back up to WAP. Dude, that's so crazy that this Trump thing is happening. If you think about it, though, that's fucking. That's $3 on silver. Silver's $25, a half a penny, and it just went $3. You know how much money this drop would be if you had a 1 mini? Here, I'll actually do the math. If you had 1 mini on that drop, so there's 2 ticks into a penny. So it's $50 a penny. So it's 100 times 50. If you had 1 mini at the top and sold at the bottom, that's $15,000. Yeah. Thoughts on MOC? I bet you'd pops. I think MOC. I think they pop it back up to 500 or so. I'll play it in the eval. I missed the taco trade today, dude. What's the taco trade? I missed the taco trade. I got something in my throat. Dude, it's cold up here. I'm going to try. I'll try to pass it. I'll try to pass it. Yeah, we're going to get a bunch of snow also. Hitting the fresh pow pow.
Order filled. Order filled.
I feel like they closed it at 500. You got a minute and a half.
Order filled. Order filled.
Am I going to make it the minute and a half? Oh, this thing's going to go. With 5 seconds left, I'm going to add. Oh, I hope I just make it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, went the other way. I did not make it. What the fuck?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, watch them back. I played this in a funded account.
Order filled.
I knew they were backfilling it. I should have just waited until after MOC. That happens so many times. Oh. I thought they'd close it at 500. The fact that they're not is interesting.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. $105 real quick. Funded. Funded account. Making that freaking money back, baby. Get payouts. Yo, look at this fucking day. These are all funded accounts. Look at this day. Hold on. I mean, like, dude. Some of it's I'm copy trading like 2 or 3 accounts at a time. I got my take profits. I got my apexes. I got my Bulenox account up. I got my Lucid accounts up. I can get a payout on Friday with Lucid. What else? I just passed another Lucid account today. I'll have that funded tomorrow. What's the best deals right now? Tradeify's 40% off ends tonight. You got some, you know what? Apex is running that PA deal still, which is cheap. Lucid Black, because they're new, are 40% off, but I still kind of like the flex plans, but there's no like buy one, get one free, 90% off deal going on right now. Just keeping it real. There's not like some massive deal that I'm like, fuck, you got to jump. I kind of like the flex better. Also, it's cheaper, so I kind of lean there. Like, also, Lucid has straight to funded if that's what you guys are into. But Lucid Flex is like $20 cheaper, I think. And I would say if you're not getting payouts, go the flex route. If you're getting payouts, go the black route. Just keeping it as honest as I can. If you're not getting payouts, you should use a cheapy account. Is what you should do, just to keep getting man hours. Yo, all evals must go at funded ticks. Yeah, pretty much. NQ is just going to stop here. This looks like a big cup and handle. Look at this. Cup, handle, and then we shoot back down. I think you're going to need a little digestion period on this whole Trump news to see what happens. Lucid 45 of in, I don't know what that is. I'll be honest with you, I kind of like the flex. Just being honest. I like it because it's cheaper. Listen, if the rules were this, if the amount was the same, I would do Lucid Black. Let's be real. If they were the same, I would do Lucid Black. But you know, it's $30. I think it's like $30 cheaper. You know, that's what gets me. But if they're the same, Lucid Black is better. How's that sound? You know, Lucid Black has better rules. But I'll trade freaking Apex. I don't care if it's cheap and I can get a payout. What is, gold is just moving on up. It's not bad. I would never use Aquaman futures. I could tell you that. I am freaking out on that, knob. I'm not playing the drift. All I have is funded accounts. I'm not playing it my funded account. I'm just not. Watch it go down though.
Order filled.
There we go. I got $40. I got a quick $40 out of it. Bro, you guys are bad influences. Bad influence there, Stock Itch. We're definitely in the zone of short gold. 40 clamps. Boom. This is the short gold pocket. Holy shit, it's dumping. In the Clambo. Dude, they just took gold down. $10. Bro, suck me right back in, man. Suck me right back in. What up, Nesto? Got me. Yo, there you go. I'm very green today, BK. I am very, very green today. Just building them up, building them back better. That's all I'm doing. I'm only about 1,000 away from a payout. 1, 2. These two are $1,000 away from a payout. And look how many are over 51,000. I just keep building them. I mean, I didn't have all these accounts always. I mean, I'm trading them and building them. I'd like to get one of these accounts over to like 52,000 by tomorrow. Collecting the cheese. What account is good at Lucid? I honestly, I would just go grab a Flex account. They're the cheapest ones that you can get into. And then if you get a payout from there, then you can go get a black account. How's that sound? The Flex plans are basically Topstep plans, but better and cheaper. That's honestly what it is. If you trade Topstep, I'd be leaving to use Lucid Flex. Personally. The fuck is this? How come you can't trail on Topstep? I think you can. What up, Mango? You think gold? I mean, gold was a great short. I shorted it up here. It was in the pocket. It was in the pocket. I think there's on the Flex, there's no consistency on funded accounts, by the way. You just got to do 5 days of $150 or more. That's it. No consistency rule, no nothing. Yeah, look where they closed it. Look, we're right almost at 500. Look at that. Look at that shiznick. You never had me. You never had your car. Yeah. Are we doing Ducky? Yeah, we do it around 420. Why? What's up? What's up, Chris? This is the time that people can ask questions. New people can ask questions about anything, strategies, what's on my chart, prop firms, futures, stocks, options, anything. This is the time to ask. Yeah. I like to set a time at the end of the day that people that are on the chat can ask, and I don't have to worry about trades and whatnot, and I can answer. That's what I use the end of the day for everybody. Oh. How do I find option plays? I find stocks that I don't mind owning. Can I explain how Marie trades the orb? Oh yeah, I'll do that right now. Here. So she uses the ES and she uses the 5-minute. She uses this is how she trades this. So what she does is she waits for a 5-minute close. First, she waits till the orb is set. 9:45, it's set. She waits for the first close outside the orb, which is right here. She gets in right here. Her stop is at the bottom of this candle. And at 1-to-1, so the length of this candle's, call it 56, 11 points. At 11 points up, she takes a 1-to-1 profit, and then she moves to break even, and then she sets the other one at a 2-to-1, which would be up here. So this trade netted her a 2-to-1 today. Did that answer your question, Schulster? If you had 5 PA accounts at Apex 250, how would you manage profit loss each day? I would trade, honestly, I would trade 2 at a time. So there'd be technically a group, like 3 groups. I would probably shoot for about, I would be trading 1 to 2 minis in gold and probably 1 to 2 minis in NQ. I'd probably be shooting for about $700 to $1,000 a day. Which Apex do I recommend? 50Ks, Chris. Always 50Ks. I like the 50Ks. If you're going to just pass on news, then I would go like 150s because you get a little bit more drawdown and whatnot. But for regular trading, 50s. What do you do when you see crazy volatility? I missed your stream, but wanted to get general idea how. I'll size down and I'll move my stops. I'll make everything bigger. So I'll size down half and then my stops are double. So I'm still risking the same amount of money, but my stop is double the size and my size of contracts is half. You know what I'm saying? I think like today when Trump started talking and all this other bullshit, like that's when you got to really size down and let it just move around. Not only that, when you have crazy volatility like we had today, your best bet is to your best bet is to not only size down but get to break even and let the trade move for free. Right? Once you get to break even, you can't lose and let the volatility just move around. Yeah? Everybody get that? It's definitely not financial advice. That is just what I do, which is most definitely not financial advice. Um, yeah, I'm just telling you what works for me. Um, you know, I just think that if you size up, uh, it's just shouldn't be sizing up in these markets. And like when it's getting crazy, like Trump comes out and says the shit that he did today, and we're just moving everywhere. It doesn't pay to size up. What do you like? Just leave it alone. Um, yeah, just leave it alone. Oh man, yeah. Listen, like you'd be shocked with like 1 to 3 micros how much you can make when it's really volatile. Like even on the NQ, like if you look at the NQ, I mean, say you bought the thing move 50 points. I mean, you could be done for the day with just a couple micros. And if you're not good when it's moving around like that, just go do something else. You know, that's all. Just go do something else. That's your best bet, right? Yeah, I mean, the market's still moving. I mean, look at it. We just went up 20 points in 4 minutes. I don't trade the ES personally, but yeah, ES moves a little slower. You know, ES definitely moves slower. Buy low, sell high. I can't believe I can't believe that news came out. I wonder what it's like. Are we going to put a base on Greenland, or I don't know what's going to happen. I just know that news saved the market. That news doesn't come out. If that news doesn't come out, this bear flag that we basically built would probably break, and we'd probably be testing 25,000, or we'd probably be down here 25,000 or even below, testing, 28.9. Renamed Orange Land. Yo. But yeah, I think that's what happens. We break and we dump to previous month low, maybe sweep previous month low and come back a little bit. Instead, this fucking happens. Which is crazy. Crazy. Yeah. That it was. But, now you look at like a 4-hour chart, kind of looks, it looks like you kind of broke this downtrend and you're going to start moving back up. What up, Van? What's up, man? What was the news? They're coming out with an agreement with Greenland. They have framework for an agreement with Greenland to do a dome type thing and something else. And the tariffs that he was putting on the EU, they're not doing the tariffs anymore. So tariffs are lifted, and everything's back to how it was when we were up in this range. So I think we're going to trade back to 26,000 probably. If you look, all we're doing is trading in a channel right now. We're just going back and forth. Yo, I appreciate it, Nesto. Definitely appreciate it. Don't, first of all, trade them slow. Do not trade on hours that you don't trade, because it's like a new toy and like market opens at 6 o'clock and you're like, oh my God, I gotta trade. Like, slow trade. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the market not go anywhere all year, where we just trade back and forth in this range for a while. Yeah. The only reason I say that is like, we just had this massive run up and it could have rolled over and we didn't. We're just kind of accepting price higher is all we're doing at this point. Trying to find like an example. This was a shit year. This was 2022. We just trended down. Yeah. There's definitely periods of time where you do just trade. Just feels so long ago. COVID drop. This is how the markets used to look. This is what the markets used to look like, guys. Look, you would just kind of go back and forth, kind of dip. Like, the days were very small. The days were super small. But this is what it like. Look, you just kind of slow trend. This is what it used to look like. Look at this. Just a slow trend. Now look at it. Look how like violent it gets crazy. All right, we're gonna run the ducks. It's so crazy what it looks like now. Freaking wild. All right, we're gonna run the ducks. Yo, if you got questions, now's the time to ask. Duck race. Duck race. The ducks are closed. You can't come in at 4:20 and get in on the duck race. Got to get in during the day. That's the rules. I didn't make the rules. You guys voted on them. Bro, it's so fucking cold in my office. Oh. Come on, who do we got? Who do we got? Somebody from the back's gonna pop up. Oh, geez, who is this? Cash. Yo, what up, helpful? Yo, I got a surprise for today also, by the way. I got a surprise for everybody. It's not that big of a surprise, but it's a surprise. Surprise! Oh. Who do we got? Who's from the back? Somebody from the back. Jay Styles is hanging out in there. Yo, the snowman. Oh, no. Monet, who's sitting in 18 feet of snow right now, is coming up to the front. Your duck doesn't exist. It's all automated. If you submitted it, you're in there. I don't add anybody. I don't do it. It's all automated. We'll do numbers games for you. Dude, they go off the screen. I can't help it. Oh, man. Why is yours wearing lipstick? I don't know. I love how they have Trump as a orange duck. They add the extra orange to him. Ron B. Who do we got here? We got Ron B. Boom. By the way, I'm going to be trading gold tonight. I forgot to put it in here. If you guys want, I'll be trading gold tonight. Yes, I'll be calling out trades if you guys are around. do not follow. It's just what I'm doing. Here's a link to it. Because I'm gonna be trading gold tonight. I usually start around 6 or so. Chris, I'm in Seoul long. I'm in Seoul right now. I've been in Seoul for a little bit. So I just want to let you know. And then if you want to support the stream, code Cove Trader and all the deals are there. And we're gonna run this shit right now. Since we missed it yesterday, we're bringing back Camel Toe Tuesday on a Wednesday. Camel Toe Tuesday is now on Wednesday. Oh, man. Who do we got? Yo, Monet. Definitely premature frontulation. Happy Hump Day. There you go. Camel Toe Tuesday is now Hump Day. Dude, Ron B is playing it smart in the back. Look at this thing. I don't know. Monet's got it the whole time. Uh-oh. 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 I don't know. Monet's in the back. Uh-oh. Monet's off the screen. Oh, damn. Bro, Ron B, I don't know what you gave your camel, but that thing didn't move at all. Yo, I don't know what you did. Yo. Yo, gold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, I got like $80 real quick. Oh! Yo! Market's not over yet, boys. Yo, later. Shoot me an email, Cash. I didn't hear no bell. Yo, what up, DW? Freaking crushing it today, man. Crushing it. Oh, man.
Order filled.
Oh, no! Oh, fuck me. I didn't know the copy trader was on. I didn't know my copy trader was on. Motherfucker. I didn't know this was copy trading. Oh, why? Why? I didn't know the copy trader was on. Fuck. Come on, man. Come down. Oh. I'm still going. I'm sweating this because I fucking didn't want to get in with all these accounts. I wanted to get in with one account. Yeah, I'm out. Now I'm done. I'm jumping. I gotta go pick up my kids. I didn't mean to do that with all those accounts, but all right. I will see you guys tonight in the Discord or tomorrow on the stream.